In your Ielts speaking test, you can use idioms. What are idioms first of all? Idioms are a set of jumbled words, or you can say these words have a certain pattern and they make sense only when used in that context. Or in other words, they have hidden meanings. They are not to be taken in their literal sense. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. You cannot literally say that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It means, the idiomatic expression means that it's raining heavily. So, today I'm going to talk about some idioms which are rarely used. The common ones we already know: over the moon, on cloud nine, it's not my cup of tea, and so on. When you use idioms appropriately, it shows your grasp of the language and it would impress your examiner, and at the end of the day, you want to impress your examiner and take home a good band, isn't it?